What's wrong? Why are you on the floor crying? Hey, get up. That's no place to mourn. There you are. Did you wanna go lay down on the couch? I'll come with you. I just want you to tell me why you're crying. Well, it's my right to know, isn't it? Talk to me. Come on. What's wrong? It's okay if you don't want to talk about it, but let me at least comfort you. Come here. No, don't worry. I'll take care of you. Whatever you're going through, I promise it'll pass. Even gods get depressed too, you know. I understand what you're going through. Your feelings may be different from mine, but, well, and of course, your situation is different. So I can't fully understand what you must be thinking, but I know you need help. And I'm willing to guide you. So please don't feel like you have to deal with all this alone. So don't you worry. Your trusty Venti is here and willing to take care of you. There's that smile. Your beautiful smile. One that lights up every day. Well, it's okay to feel weak, or sad, or alone sometimes. And sometimes you just need alone time. But I think you could use some company right now. Let's watch a fun movie together, okay? I knew you'd agree. Come on. And if there's ever anything you need me for, please don't hesitate to ask. I love and care about you, and that's not gonna change. So please know, your life is so much more than you think it's worth. And it's worth so much. Do you believe me? Even if you don't, I'll make sure your life feels like it's worth living. Because you light up my life every day. Well, there's many people in this world, but out of all of them, I'd still choose you. You're someone who stands out from the crowd. And no matter what troubles you're going through, I'll go through them with you. Now, enough of all this sappy talk. Let's watch a movie. Which one do you want to watch? Huh? My pick? Well, let's see. I got it. Say, traveler, do you like dinosaurs? Well, I sure do. Is Jurassic Park okay with you? Yeah? Okay. Let's watch Jurassic Park. Hey, you can sit closer to me if you want. Don't be shy now. We can spend the rest of the night cuddling, if that's what you want, my love. Well, what are you waiting for? Come here. There. Doesn't it feel better when I'm holding you? There you go. You smiled a little. Are you feeling any better? No. It's okay not to feel well. It's okay not to be happy. But I'll try my best to make you feel better, okay? Shh. Don't worry. I'm here. You'll be alright. I promise. And if you ever feel like this again, just use me as a distraction, okay? And rest assured, you're always safe with me. I have your back. Okay? Your hair's a bit tangled. Is it okay if I brush it? Just as we're watching this movie. Yeah? Okay.
Loading team, step away. Gatekeeper.
You have very beautiful hair, you know. It's beautiful. I mean, you're beautiful overall. Da, 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 Ah, it's so soft. I could brush and play with your hair for hours. It's so soft. Don't look at me like that. It's true. Oh, listener, look. We're close to the part where the baby dinosaurs come out of the egg. It's my favorite part, honestly. What's your favorite part of Jurassic Park? Have you watched it before? It's a little embarrassing to admit, but I think the reason I like this part of Jurassic Park so much is 'cause, well, it reminds me of when Devlin hatched out of his egg. It was such an exciting time for me, and he looked so cute. Aw, it seems like you stopped crying. But your eyes are closed. Did you fall asleep? Aw, that's fine. I'll continue to brush your hair a little longer. Sweet dreams, okay? I'll see you soon. Preferably morning time.